Hello students of ninth class. Today we will discuss about force and laws of motion of ninth class, chapter of physics. Now let's start. That is our last topic. Okay. Now we'll discuss law conservation of momentum. Okay, here first of all we want to understand the meaning of conservation means before and after it will remain same. Okay, here momentum time used means momentum before and after remains same means constant before and after. Now according to this law, momentum can neither be created nor destroyed. Okay, any object it remains same before and after collision. That will discuss what will collision. Now mathematical derivation here. Let us consider two objects of mass. One is m1 and one is m2, and objects are 1 and 2. One object having mass m1 and two objects having mass m2, and their initial velocities are u1 is of first and ut is of second. Now during collision, this is the sign, and after collision their mass remains same and velocity becomes final, that is v1 and v2. First v1 and second v2. Initial in the starting u1 of first and u2 of second. After collision v1 of first and v2 of second. Now before collision their momentum is of object 1, that is m1 u1, and momentum object 2, that's m2 u2, because momentum is mass and velocity, that is initial momentum. So total initial momentum, that is m1 u1 first object plus second object m2 u2. Okay, now second, when object 1 collide with object 2, then the velocity changes to v1 v2, means before collision u1 u2, and after collision they affect each other, they produce force on each other, that is, and change the velocity v1 of first object final and v2 of second object final velocity, or total final momentum after collision m1 v1 plus m2 v2, first object momentum plus second object momentum. Okay, now we know that f12, that is rate of change of momentum 1, object 1, that is means momentum means mass into velocity, rate of means momentum is changing here, m1 v1 minus m1 u1, here it multiply final minus initial by t x reaction, that is first take action and second apply reaction on first, that is f21, rate of change momentum of object 2, that is m2 v2 final momentum, and m2 u2, that is initial momentum by t. Now according to Newton's law, action is equal to opposite reaction. Action is equal to reaction, this minus show opposite. Action and reaction are equal and opposite, minus show sign show opposite. Now f12 is equal to minus f21, that is equal, but this show sign show negative sign show opposite. Now m1 v1 minus m1 I take common, v1 minus u1 by t initial, that is first second equal to minus sign m2 v2 final minus initial. Okay, by t cancelled here, then solving m2 v2 plus m2 u2, I write here t cancelled both sides. Now here m1 v1, that is m1 u1, now minus m2 v2 plus m2 u2 here. Next this become this side, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m2 u2 plus m1 u1. Now that is the v1 v2, that is the final velocity, and m1 v1 final momentum of object 1, final momentum of object 2 is equal to initial momentum of object 2 plus initial momentum of object 1, means momentum after collision that is equal to momentum before collision, hence proved momentum conserved. Okay students, in the next lecture we start next topic. Till then, stay goodbye.